Good evening, students. Today we'll be starting for class 7th ASL English listening activity. Now we are starting with a new unit number 2. Unit 2 helpline listening activity. Listening, you will listen to a radio quiz on what to do in medical emergencies. The quiz is answered by team A and B. You listen, tick the correct answer. Read the question in your book before you listen. Okay? You will be listening the quiz twice, okay, of mine, then only try to mark the answers. As you listen, mark your answers very carefully and very attentively. Okay. Now I am starting with the quiz. Now the quiz master is asking the question. Quiz master. Welcome team A from Mumbai and team B from Kolkata. The theme of the quiz today is medical emergencies. I will ask a question and give you two options. You have 30 seconds to answer. And the first team to buzz in gets to answer first. That means whoever presses the buzzer first, they will answering the question first. If you are wrong, the question passes to the other team. Are you ready?
Yes, शाम को आना थोड़ी देर से.
Okay, here we go. Question. Now the quiz master is asking the question. The first question. You are talking to your uncle when he suddenly complains of chest pain. He is sweating and breathless. You answer. Option is given. Point number A, make him sit down and give him some water. Option number B, make him lie down, call for help and give him an aspirin. Team B answers it's B. Team B answers it's B. Quizmaster says what? Correct. The first thing to do when you suspect a heart attack is make the person lie down, give him an aspirin and call an ambulance immediately. Otherwise, take the patient to a hospital without delay. Good job, Team B. Now, second question. What the quiz masters ask? Your friend slips in the bathroom and faints. He is hurt and bleeding from the head. You. That means he is asking the question to teams. He is giving the option. Option number A, sprinkle water on his face and try to revive him. Option number B, tie a piece of cloth tightly round his head and call an ambulance. Team B, it's A. Okay, and team A answers it's B. Okay, now quiz master, team A is right, it's B. What the quiz master says, team A is right, it's B. Now what the quiz master says further, there are many don'ts to be followed when a person has a head injury. Do not move the patient. Do not give an unconscious patient water, as it may flow into the lungs and cause further problems. In case of heavy bleeding, tie a cloth round the head and call an ambulance. Good answer, team A. Now, he asked the third question. Quiz master asking the third question now. Your sister is making a milkshake using the blender in the kitchen. You suddenly hear her scream and find her lying unconscious. You see smoke coming from the electric socket. That means he's asking the question to both the teams. The options are for that question: A, run and try to lift her. Option number B, rush to the main electric board and switch off the power supply. Team B. Oh, B. Its answers B. The quiz master says what? Correct. Make sure the power is cut off before you approach the patient. Do wear rubber slippers before touching the person. Call for help and rush the patient to a hospital as soon as possible. And now a final question. Now the quiz master is asking the fourth question, that will be the final question for both the teams. That means whoever presses the buzzer first, he will answer. They will answer. The fourth one, in all these situations, to which part of the hospital will you rush? Again, I am repeating. He is asking the question, in all these situations, to which part of the hospital will you rush? Option is given by the quiz master. Option number A, the outpatient department. Option number B, emergency. Team A and B. Whoever presses the buzzer first will answer B. It's B. Make this sound as natural as possible. Buzzers could ring at the same time, but the answers are everyone talking over each other, not crouched together. Again, I am repeating, team A and B. B, it's B. Make this sound as natural as possible. Buzzers could ring at the same time, but the answers are everyone talking over each other, not troused together. Quizmaster, what he says at last? Good job. Both teams are correct, but that was easy. Before we add up your points, a warning to everyone from experts. Do not attempt first aid. If you are not trained, do call for medical help as soon as possible. Okay, now this is the question which was asked by the quiz master, and team A and B has answered this. Now you have listened to the quiz. Now what you have listened in the quiz, you have to mark the correct options in the alternatives which is given in your book in unit number 2, helpline. Okay, listen to my quiz conversation twice, then only try to answer. Listen twice to my conversation, then only try to answer. For the time, read the question in your book in unit number 2, helpline. What is given in unit number 2, helpline? Read the question, then I will be reading the questions for you, and you can note down as well if you want. You can note down the questions also. By the time you can read it, if you are having a book, okay, you can read down in your book. Okay, so I will be reading the questions for you, what is given in the book in unit number 2, helpline. Okay, now according to the quiz only you have to answer. Okay, fine. Listening. You will listen to a radio quiz, what you have listened, okay, on what to do in medical emergencies. The quiz is answered by team A and B. As you listen, what you have listened, tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. Okay. So I am reading the first MCQ question for you. You can note down in your copy and you can mark the answers. Okay. Option number 1. In an emergency, you have to. Option number A. Think quickly. Option number B. Avoid helping people. Option number C. Sit down to think carefully. Second MCQ question. During a heart attack, the person. Option number A. Has a headache and sweating. Option number B. Has chest pain and sweating. Option number C. Has a stomach ache and sweating.
Hello.
Third MCQ I am reading for you. If a person is having a heart attack, make them. Option number A. Sit down and relax. Option number B. Take deep breaths. Option number C. Lie down and relax. The fourth MCQ question. For a head injury, you. Option number A. Move the person. Option number B. Do not move the person. Option number C. Give the person water. Fifth one I am reading for you. Fifth MCQ question. When there is bleeding from a head injury, you. Option number A, put a cloth on the head. Option number B, tie a cloth round the head. Option number C, wipe the blood off the head. Sixth MCQ question I am reading for you. Listen very carefully, note down in your copy and mark the answers. When a person has an electric shock, the first thing you do is option number A, turn off the main power supply. B, call for help. Option number C, wear rubber sleepers. Seventh MCQ question I am reading for you. In medical emergencies, it is always better to. Option number A, try lifting the patient. Option number B, sprinkle water on the patient. Option number C, call for help at once. The last one now, the eighth one I am reading for you. Experts advise us to. Again I am reading that one. Eighth MCQ question. Experts advise us to. Option number A, try first aid of any kind. Option number B, treat the patient with home remedies. Option number C, avoid trying any first aid without training. Okay. Now you have to listen to the conversation twice, then only try to mark the answers. Okay. Best of luck. Thank you.